Good afternoon, everyone. So at this time, we will tackle about half-angle formula for concerning the sine function. So before that, before we can actually identify the formula, so still we have to derive this one, the sine half-angle formula. Then after that, I will also give one example of how to apply the sine half-angle formula in identifying the exact value. Okay? So the sine function half-angle formula can be derived using the double angle. We have cos of 2 times theta, or cos of 2 theta is actually equivalent to cos of theta plus theta. Or that is actually equivalent to cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. Simplified in terms of sine, so from this one, that is actually equivalent to 1 minus cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. Or we have 1 minus 2 sine squared theta as our equivalent to cos 2 theta. Then we can let theta is equivalent to a over 2. Okay, so we can now write this one as cos of 2 times a over 2 is then equivalent to 1 minus 2 sine squared of a over 2. Then simplify, or we can write this one actually as negative 2 sine squared of a over 2 is equivalent to this one. It will become cancel out si 2, so we have here cos of a, from positive 1 it will become negative 1. Then we can divide both sides by negative 2. So then we can have sine squared of a over 2 is equivalent to, we have 1 minus cos of a over 2. Then take the square of both sides, get the squared na sila one side. So we can have a formula for sine of a, or half angle for the sine, plus minus square root of 1 minus cos of a over 2. So this will be our formula to be used in finding the exact value of the half angle pertaining the sine function. Okay? So let us have one example. Find the exact value. Find the exact value of a sine of what? Pi over 6. So before we can apply the half angle formula, okay, we can now use what? Okay, we can now make use of, or simplify this one into half angle using sine pi over 6, or simplify into equivalent sine of pi over 3 over 2, because 2 times 3 is still 6. Therefore, you have here a plus, okay, we have pi over 6 is equivalent to theta, that is equivalent to pi over 3. Therefore, for the sine of pi over 6 is equivalent to the square root of quadrant 1 man, so still we have to use positive sign. So 1 minus cos of pi over 3 as the value of theta over 2. Then simplifying, we have here square root of 1 minus cos of pi over 3 is actually 60 degrees. We will convert that one into radian degrees measured over 2. Then we have here square root of, okay, 1 minus cos of 60, 0, 30, 45, 60, square root of 1 over 2, or 1 half. Okay? So we have here 1 over 2 over 2. So we have here square root of 1 minus 1 half is 1 half. Okay, 1 half over over 2. Then that is then equivalent to square root of 1 over 4, or that is equal to 1 half. Okay? So therefore, okay, the answer, or our answer is what? Okay? 1 half. So very simple. what you're going to do is just apply the concept for the half angle formula. Okay, so that we'll be able to identify its exact value.